Edgar Allan Poe, the master of Gothic tales, gave us works like The Raven and The Telltale Heart. But in October 1849, at just 40 years old, his life ended in a way that has puzzled historians for more than 170 years. On October 3rd, Poe was found delirious and disoriented on the streets of Baltimore, outside a polling station. Strangely, he was wearing clothes that did not belong to him. Witnesses said he was barely coherent, unable to explain what had happened. He was taken to a hospital where he drifted in and out of consciousness. Over the next few days, Poe's condition worsened. He experienced hallucinations and repeated one mysterious phrase, "Reynolds, Reynolds." No one ever figured out who or what he was referring to. On October 7th, 1849, Poe passed away. The cause of death was recorded simply as congestion of the brain, a vague term at the time. So what really happened to Edgar Allan Poe? Some suggest alcoholism or poisoning. Others believe he was a victim of cooping, a 19th century election fraud scheme where people were kidnapped, forced to wear disguises, and made to vote multiple times. Some whisper about rabies, a heart condition, or even murder, but no single theory has ever been proven. What makes Poe's death even more haunting is how perfectly it matches his reputation as the father of mystery and horror. Just like his characters, his final moments were filled with dread, confusion, and unanswered questions. Edgar Allan Poe's strange death remains unsolved to this day, echoing through time like one of his own dark stories. Perhaps fittingly, the man who wrote about life's darkest mysteries became one himself,